All right, some Lewis structures. So to do Lewis structures, one thing I'm going to need is the number of valence electrons for each of my atoms. So hydrogen has 1, carbon has 4, nitrogen has 5. That means my whole picture is allowed to have 10. Hydrogen can never be in the middle. Nitrogen should not be in the middle in this case, so carbon will go in the middle. Complete the octet on everything. Count up how many electrons I have. I have too many. I have 14. I should have 10. So I start adding multiple bonds until I get that number down to 10 while completing the octet on everything. So I have a triple bond to the nitrogen. All right, next up I have phosphorus with 5 and hydrogens with 1 each times 3, so that's 8 total. So I'll put phosphorus in the middle, attach my 3 hydrogens, complete the octet on the phosphorus, count it up, and that's it. I have 8. I was supposed to have 8. I'm done. For nitrogen, 5. Fluorine, 7. There are 3 of those. This is 26 total electrons. Fluorine is the most electronegative element, so it should be not in the middle, on the outside. So I'll attach all the fluorines to the nitrogen, complete the octet on everything, count it up. I have 26. Perfect. If those match, I'm done. And then finally, here's an ion. Okay, so nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6. There are 3 of those. And then the negative sign gives me 1 extra electron. So total 5 plus 18 plus 1 is 24. Attach all the oxygens to the nitrogen, complete the octet on everything, count them up. I have 26, so I need to put in 1 double bond to reduce that number. And let me just redraw it so it's nice and neat. I just don't have any eraser, so I crossed them off, but I'll just draw it neatly. Now I have 24 electrons, complete octet on everything. I'm good to go. All right, so I also put a note. Resonance structures do exist whenever you could have put that double bond anywhere. So the resonance structures would be putting the double bond in the other positions that are oxygens, and you would indicate those with the double arrows, like I'm doing here. If it doesn't ask for all the resonance structures, you don't necessarily have to do that, but just recognizing that is a case where resonance structures exist.